dirt
She'll
is
get his
flying
legs,
around.
so
Yeah.
That's why he's flopping around everywhere.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Oop.
Oh!
There was a rollover. Gosh, I'm getting dizzy just trying to keep up with them. Okay guys, over there. On the grass. Come on. Play pretty for the camera. Come on. Hannah, say hi to Daddy. Hannah, look. Hannah. Hannah. Look. Look in the camera. No, here. Hannah.
She sees the bird.
Hannah, banana.
Look at it.
Ranger. Should have taken this out earlier. Yeah. Oops. The tongue is getting longer. Very good. Gosh, boys. I'm getting dizzy. Hannah, go get him. Go get him. Come on. Go. Ranger. Come here, boy. Come on. See those tails wagging. Hannah. Hey, stop it.
Get him, Hannah. Get him, Hannah. Get him, Hannah. Get him.
Guys, are you done? No, come on. Let's make a video for Daddy.
I don't know, Ranger's looking done.
Yeah. Hannah. Hannah. Okay. Looks like it's almost over. No, little energy back there. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know. Is he peeing? Ranger, I'm getting a close-up of you now. Yes. That's Ranger. And the girlfriend, Hannah. Oh, yep, there we go. Don't jump in the water, guys. Hey, Hannah, leave it. Leave it. Hannah. And Hannah has a toy. She found something else to keep her busy since Ranger is worn out. As you can see, he's seeking love, attention, and comfort at Mommy's and Chris. So that's for Ranger. Hannah is still full of energy.
I already got wings, but I thought it...
Oh yeah, show me those teeth, Hannah.
Okay, SP.
Good girl.
No, it's done.
It's okay, she'll help you still.
Good girl.
S-P-O-N-D.
Yeah, show me those big German Shepherd teeth. Hannah, look at me. Look at me. Look here. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Good girl, Hannah.
Yes, good girl.
Good girl, Hannah. I know what's Christian doing right now, Hannah.
Come on. Hannah. She does have pretty big teeth if you look at it through this
Yeah.
thing. Oh, yeah. Hannah, say hi, Daddy. Because we're gonna send this video to Daddy, so say hi to him. Oh, Ranger's still exhausted. Hannah. Hannah, sit. Hey, sit. Sit. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Hi, Daddy. Oh, she's looking right in the camera. That's a good girl, Hannah.